Are email notifications not working on the Kik app? If you are not receiving emails from Kik, email alerts are delayed, or your email notification settings aren't being applied correctly, you may miss important updates. In this video, I will show you how to fix email notifications on Kik app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Kik. And then here on this page, you will find this window. You will click on Profile on above here. Then you will find this page. You will click on Notifications, and after that you will tap here on Email. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.